harnessing business analysis for growth and longevity. Picture this. You're at the helm of a ship, and the sea around you shifts without warning. One moment, you're catching a strong wind, speeding toward your destination. The next, a storm rolls in, and you're forced to change course. Running a business feels exactly like that. The currents are your competitors, the weather is your market, and the sails, that's your strategy. And just like any seasoned captain, your survival depends on how well you can read the horizon, anticipate what's coming, and respond without hesitation. But here's the difference between a ship that reaches its port and one that's lost at sea. The captain's ability to read the conditions and adjust with precision. In business, that's what business analysis does. It's your navigational chart, your compass, and your lookout in the crow's nest, scanning for both opportunities and threats before they're right on top of you. It's more than a spreadsheet exercise or a once-a-year planning session. It's a mindset. It's about understanding what's really happening beneath the surface of your business, defining where you want to go, and charting the most efficient, least risky course to get there. Done right, it helps you spot hidden reefs before you run aground and take advantage of favorable winds when they appear. Even if you're running a lean operation or just starting out, business analysis helps you see the big picture without losing sight of the details. It ensures every decision is anchored in facts and insight, not just instinct. You stop making choices based on gut feelings alone, and you start making them with evidence, clarity, and confidence. Knowing your ship isn't just moving, but moving in the right direction. And if, by the end of this, you want to see exactly how this works for your own business, there's a link in the description and in the comments where you can get a free business analysis that reveals your blind spots and opportunities. Your personal map to calmer waters and more profitable horizons. Why this approach matters more than ever. If you've been in business even a short while, you know how quickly the ground can shift. A single new competitor can change the landscape. A shift in customer preferences can make your best-selling product yesterday's news. Supply chain delays can throw your whole delivery schedule off course. In the past, some companies could afford to move slowly. They could wait for problems to arise before taking action. But not anymore. Today's marketplace rewards agility, foresight, and adaptability. Business analysis is the bridge between uncertainty and control. It helps you anticipate changes instead of merely reacting to them. It gives you the tools to evaluate whether a new opportunity is worth pursuing or just a shiny distraction. And perhaps most importantly, it ensures that when challenges do arise, you're already prepared. The 5 pillars of effective business analysis. Let's explore the foundation you'll need to build. Pillar 1. Identify your true challenges. Too many businesses waste resources solving the wrong problem. For example, you might think you have a sales issue, but after looking closer, you realize the leads are there. It's your follow-up process that's broken. Business analysis digs beneath the symptoms to uncover the root cause, so you're addressing what actually matters. Pillar 2. Read the market landscape. Your market is alive. It changes with customer tastes, seasonal trends, technology, and even world events. The businesses that thrive are those that track these changes closely and adapt in real time. That could mean introducing a new product when demand spikes or pulling back before a trend fades. Pillar 3. Manage your money like a strategist. This isn't just about balancing books. It's about using your financial data as a decision-making tool. If your cash flow tells you you've got 3 slow months ahead, you can plan promotions, adjust expenses, or focus on collecting overdue invoices before trouble starts. Pillar 4. Prepare for risk before it happens. Every business faces risks: economic downturns, technology failures, regulatory changes. By identifying these in advance, you can create backup plans that keep your business steady no matter what happens. Pillar 5. Streamline to increase efficiency. Think of this as tuning a high-performance engine. You're looking for processes that waste time, cost too much, or frustrate customers. When you streamline them, you not only save money, you also create a better experience for everyone involved. Cash flow, the pulse of your business. Imagine trying to run a marathon while holding your breath. That's what running a business without healthy cash flow feels like. You can have great sales, strong customer reviews, and a fantastic product. But if the money isn't moving in and out efficiently, everything grinds to a halt. Some quick tips to keep that lifeline strong. Review your cash flow weekly, not just monthly. Offer incentives for early payments. Consider multiple income streams, like subscription models or value-added services. Negotiate better payment terms with suppliers. Keep an emergency fund to handle surprises without panic. Healthy cash flow doesn't just keep your business alive, it gives you the breathing room to invest in growth without fear. Planning in an unpredictable market. Markets rarely move in a straight line. You might have steady growth for months, then face a sudden drop in demand or a surge that overwhelms your capacity. Strategic planning is your safety net. This isn't about predicting the future perfectly, it's about preparing for multiple versions of it. That means building flexible strategies you can adjust on the fly. If sales rise unexpectedly, you know exactly how to scale. If they fall, you have a plan to stay profitable without scrambling. Why a diverse revenue mix is a game changer. Think of your revenue like a table. If it has only one leg, it's easy to tip over. If it has several legs, it's steady, no matter what's placed on top. Diversifying doesn't mean doing everything at once. It means identifying a few complementary income streams that align with your brand and customer needs. Maybe you sell physical products. Adding an online course or consulting service could add stability. Or perhaps you have one big client. Bringing on smaller accounts can balance the risk. Mastering the ideal customer focus. It's tempting to want everyone as a customer. The idea feels safe. More people, more sales, right? But the truth is, the most successful businesses often go narrow, not wide. When you define your ideal customer, age, profession, challenges, preferences, and even how they like to make decisions, you gain the power to connect with them on a level competitors can't match. It's about speaking their language, anticipating their needs before they express them, and crafting solutions that feel custom-made. Imagine a coffee shop that knows your order the moment you walk in, or a service provider who remembers your last concern without you reminding them. That's the effect of deep customer focus. That means personalized communication, products designed with their challenges in mind, and service that makes them want to return again and again. This deep loyalty often leads to higher lifetime value, more frequent purchases, and stronger word-of-mouth growth. Over time, your ideal customers become your best advocates, spreading your reputation further than you could through marketing alone. Making business analysis a habit. Here's the truth. Business analysis is not a project you complete. It's a practice you maintain. It's like fitness for your business. Skip it for too long, and things start to weaken. Keep it consistent, and your business stays strong, agile, and ready for whatever comes next. Review your performance metrics regularly. Stay in touch with market trends. Check in with your customers to understand what's shifting in their world. And don't be afraid to adjust when the data tells you something's not working. Because flexibility backed by facts is one of the greatest competitive advantages you can have. If you'd like to see where your business stands today, what's working, what's holding you back, and what your next steps could be, use the link in the description or comments section to access your free business analysis. No sales pitch, no obligation, just clear, actionable insights you can apply immediately. Because lasting success isn't built on luck, it's built on clarity, preparation, and execution. And the right analysis is where it all begins, turning uncertainty into direction and potential into measurable progress.